Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me out a ton, but I'm also going to be putting out content to help you make some money as well. Today is going to be another bulk unboxing. This is the box that I'm going to be going through. I am a little nervous about this one because it does look like it was stained, and then it does look like it was retaped. So I may be contacting Bulk and letting them know, it looks like it was tampered with or something. I've actually never had it taped over with clear plastic tape. It's usually just the Bulk tape. So I'm about to find out here if anything is damaged or what's wrong. Now I ended up ordering 6 cases, which this is the size of a case. If you can see, it's pretty big. Ended up ordering 6 of them. I thought I only ordered 5. 6 came. So I'm not really sure what's inside this one. I'll have to wait till I get it open, and then I can let you know what I paid per item and what the total was, including shipping. So let me go ahead and get started and show you guys what's inside this box. I hope everything is intact. Okay, so far so good. It looks like this is just missing one of the suction cups. So I do remember this one. It is an uninspected returns box. So that means that items could be damaged, could be missing parts. So this one, oh, it actually doesn't look like it is. It looks like there's only supposed to be 1 suction cup. So maybe it isn't missing one. So this does have the packaging to it. It does look like, appear to have everything with it. Just like a bathroom caddy. All right, this is a Threshold Performance Sheet King, and it still had like the return from Target on it. So I'm just gonna have to make sure that every piece is in here, because sometimes people will take out like the pillowcases and stuff and leave the rest. But it is gray, so maybe I'll wash it and keep it for our bed. We'll see. All right, this is just a crochet throw, and it doesn't appear to have any damage to it, but it does look like they opened the package and then just put the package like band around it again. This is just an Opal House king set. Original price was $50, and it does appear that everything is in this one because it doesn't look refolded. But again, I will have to open it and just make sure, since this is an uninspected return, I want to be extra careful. This looks like maybe a pillow sham. Nope, shower curtain. So this is just a shower curtain, and it is sealed completely. So I'm assuming that it is new. It doesn't look like it's damaged or anything. We got a bathroom rug here. It still has the tag on it. That's great. I can't expect to get a whole lot out of those rugs, but you can get at least 5 to 10. This is a pillow sham. It doesn't have the case to it. Hopefully there's another one in there that matches, because it's gonna be really hard to sell one single one. All right, this is a pom-pom duvet cover set, and it is for a twin XL. I actually have 3 other ones of these, and I've already sold 2 to 1 person. So I had somebody else ask me if I had to, so I'm gonna go back through my messages and let them know, yes, I have 2 now. Because when it's twins, usually sometimes they want to do 2 beds the same. Maybe they have 2 kids or something like that, and they want to be fair. This is another Room Essentials sheet set. This is honestly a really good bundle for what I paid. All right, this is an electric heater. It does appear that the plastic is still on the heater. Looks like it was new, $30. So I can expect to get 20 out of this if everything is new inside of it. This is just a small throw, it looks like. Has some little pom-pom things on it. I'm assuming it's a little kid's. Threshold Queen Ultra Soft Flat Sheet. So this is just a flat sheet. Again, I need to check it just to make sure, but it does appear that it's in there just because there's only one thing that's supposed to be in there anyways. All right, this is a clear plastic shower curtain, and it is sealed and new. I might bundle that up with the shower curtain over here. It's not worth listing alone. This is another bath rug. It does have the tag still attached. A Taylor scale. It looks like a mint green scale. Two pillowcase protectors. Now this bag has been ripped open and it looks like maybe there's only one in there. So again, I'll check that. And it's not going to be worth much. They're just plain pillowcase covers. All right, this is another blush pink throw, Project 62. It definitely appears to have already been opened. Maybe they just didn't like how it looked with their decor or something. So I may just refold it and let them know package is open and sell it like that. Velvet medallion sham. So this is just one sham. It sold for 15, so I could probably expect to get about $7 out of this guy. It's only one of them. These look like, yeah, white standard pillowcases. Just make sure everything is in there. Okay, this looks like a bath towel. So just a really nice bath towel. It's probably not going to be worth too much, maybe $5. EcoFlow. So this is just a shower sprayer nozzle or whatever, and it is open, so it will be sold as open package. Wrinkle resistant bed skirt, and then some more standard pillowcase shams, or just pillowcase covers I should say, not shams. A random just washcloth here. A heating pad. It does appear the box has been damaged, so I'll just pull it out and make sure everything is in there and it's working properly. Another just random washcloth there. Countertop padding ironing board. So this is just an ironing board cover. The package does look dirty, so I'm just going to open it and make sure nothing's wrong with the iron board cover. Or maybe I'll just put it out in my garage sale because I plan to have one really soon. So just a soap dispenser. And another Opal House standard pillowcase cover or sham or whatever. And then this is a 2-pack body pillow covers. So it does appear that both of them are there, but they're just kind of all wrinkled up and thrown back in the package. So again, I will have to list it as open package. All right, so that was all that was in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and get busy on the next one for you guys. So I ended up deciding just to go ahead and cut this video and make another video just so it's not super long for you guys. I didn't realize that it was so long. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I've got more coming. I got 2 more right here to do for you guys, and I just appreciate all of you for watching.